If I do am, e no dey alright, I go do am again. They laugh me, they mock me. As they mock me, I dey read your comments. I dey use all those comments to improve on my next thing. Everything you see me say I dey do today, na the best, na my best of best I dey put in. If I have more, if I get access to better things, better tools, better equipment, I go still do more. I dey my prime, I fit still do more. Now they start life. Military mentality now to dey live life. Anything go fit still happen, but the result is not mine to determine. So I dey focus on the one I fit do. Now there the happiness dey. The reason why many of you are not happy is because you focus too much on result. Now the result not dey come again. You are depressed. You won't quit. But now let's say now the process they give you joy. Now the process, the art of doing. Now the action say, okay, this thing I thought I want to do, I do. Now then my joy. They not be really say the result come. Maybe the result not come. It not consign me.